Hi, this is Sue Shields with My Florida Dreams with another lovely home here in Colony Cove in Ellenton, Florida. We're at 8103 Desoto Drive. This is a Palm Harbor house. It already has your 3/4 inch plywood floors. It's move-in ready. Could use a little bit of updates. It's a little old. It's a 1989. This is the front lanai. Closed in with vinyl slide up and down vertical windows. As you step into the living room, you can see we have vaulted ceilings. There is a wall that separates the kitchen, can easily be taken down. There's no bearing walls. Dining room has lots of built-ins. All the walls you see here are original. They can be painted any color you like. As you step into the kitchen, there's a door into another lanai, very large lanai, by the way, that has windows. Kitchen has a dishwasher, lots of storage cabinets. I have seen in that area by the doorway where people have moved their washer and dryer from the shed and put it in that particular area. This is the other side of that wall that could be removed. Could put an island here if you wanted. As you head down the hall, first door on the left is the spare bedroom. This is a very large spare bedroom. This is a queen bed in here. You could easily fit a king. Also a walk-in closet, so you have plenty of storage. Across the hall, you've got your guest bathroom, tub and shower. They put laminate flooring in here. Again, these walls are easily painted. This is not wallpaper. Into this huge master bedroom. You've got plenty of room for a king-size bed. It's a big closet down that whole wall over there. It has its own ensuite with plenty of storage. The shower has been updated. So if you're freezing to death while you're watching this up north, it's going to be 80 degrees down here today and sunny. Come visit us. This is a great house and ready to move in. It comes furnished, so give me a call, Sue Shields, 941-981-3424.